Today we're on the Scarlet Lady. Welcome to Miami, Florida, as we continue our tour of the Scarlet Lady. This was a special preview for travel advisors on September the 27th. Continuing our tour, we're getting ready to take a look at the main pool area over here. So you have the other gym area here. Interesting place to put the gym. You have to go in from over there somewhere.
We can open and reopen.
Taste the sheet. We do turn this into a little party area. Do you have like big parties out here at night or something?
For tonight?
No, some like on a regular basis. You have big parties out here?
Yeah,
I see like the haze machine and the sound and the lights and...
Yes, perfect party.
So as we move inside on deck 15, we're going to start to take a look at some of the suites and cabins on the Scarlet Lady. First up is the Gorgeous Suite. Mega Rockstar quarters.
It's going small until you get to the master suite.
Gorgeous suite.
There's downstairs and the hammock. Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm just a little nervous about this hammock thing.
I know, I've heard it's super good. Yeah.
Flower. Okay. Look at that. That's the shower head.
I put the flash on it, but I need to brighten it up.
But you
It's
can.
dark. See, look. Oh.
But you can.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Not a problem.
So I guess this is considered accessible.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Accessibility ramp. Get your own little shower ramp here. Hammocks. They love hammocks, apparently.
That's what we need to see. Because I have clients with scooters. So tell me how easy this is, because the ramp is back that way. That's what I'm curious. Thank you. You're welcome. Or thank you, because you're our victim. I mean,
Test pilot.
you're the test pilot.
Nice roller shower.
All right, so
There's another gorgeous suite here that's not the regular, not the ADA, if you wanted to take a look.
Okay.
She gonna see it.
Well, yeah, their pictures are better than.
Yeah, okay. Exactly.
Oh, are they going into your phone? That's okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, you're so gracious to let them in.
The kind of guy I am, you know.
Wow. Look at this. Look at the shower. Oh, I heard about this. I remember reading about this. They angle the beds a certain way. Look at this balcony. So I guess if you want to watch TV, you have to sit right here.
okay, that was definitely.